Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share something fun and interesting, life without a phone. Can you imagine a day without your phone? No messages, no games, no scrolling, just real life. At first, it feels strange. Your hands may reach for your phone automatically, but then something magical happens. You start noticing the world around you. You can see the sunlight, hear the birds, and feel the fresh air. You can talk to people, laugh with friends, and enjoy moments without distractions. Sometimes I sit quietly and just think about my day. It feels peaceful and calm. Without a phone, I can do fun things too. I can read a book, draw a picture, or play a board game with my family. I even try small hobbies like cooking or gardening. Even small things feel exciting when you are fully focused. You know what else is nice? When you don't use your phone, you notice how happy small things can make you. A smile from someone, a cup of tea, or even a gentle breeze makes your day brighter. Life without a phone is not always easy. Sometimes we miss chatting with friends or checking notifications, but we learn to enjoy the real world little by little. We feel more relaxed, more creative, and happier inside. So, I challenge you, try a few hours without your phone. Notice the small things around you. Talk, laugh, play, and enjoy the moment. You may discover that life without a phone can be peaceful, fun, and full of smiles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again soon.